The Moto Guzzi V73 Special stands as a testament to the enduring allure of classic Italian motorcycling, offering a harmonious blend of iconic design, accessible performance, and an unmistakable V-twin character. As part of the revered V73 series, the special variant distinguishes itself with a refined aesthetic and a focus on capturing the timeless essence of Moto Guzzi's heritage, while still delivering a thoroughly modern and engaging riding experience. This motorcycle isn't about chasing ultimate horsepower figures, it's about connecting with the road, appreciating the unique throb of its transverse V-twin engine, and enjoying the elegance of a machine that truly celebrates its roots. For riders seeking a stylish, characterful, and manageable classic-inspired roadster, the V73 Special offers a compelling and authentically Italian proposition.